Okay, Connor's a little racer, man. He wants to have a little race to see how long it takes him to get from point A back to point A again. Bye! 9 seconds he started at. Just flying. Look at him take that corner. Lots of speed. He's got it full throttle. 20 seconds. Why don't you try again and we'll see if you can beat that.
Okay, I'll go on the picnic table.
Okay. Whoa! So far he's at 10 seconds right now. See if he can beat that. Whoa! Here he goes. He's at 54 when he left. See if he could beat his 20-second mark. He's at 10 seconds right now, so... Good job. You beat it by 2 seconds. Are you a racer, man?
Yeah.
All right. Good job. Bye.